Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about how to solve exponential equations graphically. In the previous video, we learned how to solve the exponential equation of 5 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x squared equals 35 by hand. Now we are going to learn how to solve graphically. So, again, the equation is 5 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x squared is equal to 35. So, the left side of the equation we want to put in for y1, 5 to the power of x times 7 to the power of x squared. And on the right hand side is 35, in which we will input for y2. So now we must hit the window button because we see y2 is about, or actually you could say 35. So we want to change the y max to about 40 to see the multiple intersection points. So let's hit the window button and change the y max to 40, and then we can graph it. Now we just have to wait for the graph to appear. And then you will see another graph intersecting this particular graph twice. Now we must hit second trace and then select option 5 for the intersect. So now we just gently hit the left arrow all the way up to the intersection point on the left hand side. And you see, after you get the cursor there, you can hit enter, enter, enter. And as you see on the left hand side, the intersection point is at negative 1.818182, which is equivalent to the fraction, or I should say the fractional answer in the previous video for one of these solutions. And on the right hand side, we will see there's another intersection point. So we have to hit second trace again, and then choose intersect, which is option 5. And this time we want to hit the right arrow key. And break it down to the intersection point. Then hit enter, 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 and we will see the other intersection point is at x equals to 1. So x equals 1 is a solution. And let's scroll back again on the left hand side, but we have to go second trace, intersect, and then scroll over to the left with the left arrow key, until we get to the other x solution, and then we hit enter, enter, enter. And we see the other solution for x is negative 1.827087. This is how we find the solutions to equations graphically. So if you have an assignment where the question is asking you to solve graphically, this is how it is done. Now, if the question states show your work, then you have to write out the steps, like how we did to the same particular problem to get the same solution. Now, let's take a look at the solutions from the previous video here. Now, negative log 5 divided by log 7 minus 1 is equivalent to negative 1.827087. And as you see, there is the same equation from the previous video, but we solved it algebraically. But not every time will you be required to solve problems algebraically if the instructor is asking you to solve by means of graphically analyzing. If you need online math tutoring, please text 559-744-3169 for services. Please donate on the Cash App for my channel with the $sign up front, MLBFAN. Again, please donate on the Cash App with the $sign up front, MLBFAN. Thank you so much. Let's learn math together.